Okay, this is for parts for Saferwholesale. I just got the bike, just got the phone with a gentleman. Bike won't crank up, so I'm gonna do what I do. He told me to turn the key, which I did. Hold in the right brake, left clutch. Red dot is on. Nothing. Even when I hold the back brake, nothing. No firing for nothing. Same thing again.
Showing that the light is on.
Lights and everything is on. Lights work. Flashes work. Horn work. Signal work. Everything works. Back brake light works. So I don't know what to do. I don't know. So I'm sending this back to you guys so you guys probably can help me out figure this out. So till then, I'll be sending it to you.